Hi guys, ready to take your network to the next level of speed and performance? What you need to do is building a lightning fast 40G fiber LAN. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up a robust 40G fiber LAN, leveraging the latest advancement in fiber optic technology and powerful fiber switches. And please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you encounter any problem with your system design. Send us a diagram or some simple drawing through the link down in the description box below, and we will gladly assist you in resolving any problems that you may have. 40 LANs refers to a local area network technology, provides a data transfer rate of 40 gigabit per second. Can you imagine that? It is designed to deliver high-speed networking capability and is commonly implanted using the fiber optic cable for transmitting data over long distances. Since traditional copper cable have inherent limitation in terms of bandwidth capacity, most commonly used copper Ethernet cable is 1 gigabit Ethernet. But fiber optic cable use the pulse of light to carry data, allowing for fast and reliable transmission. And rather than electrical signal that may cause signal loss or other issues. So behind me is our 40G LAN setup. Now let's take a look what we need. We have the 300 meters fiber optic cable, and it has 4 strings. It can provide 10G speed, reliability, and scalability necessary for building a robust 40G network, and also ideal for a large-scale network deployment within buildings or across campuses up to 60 kilometers. And on each side, we have a 24-port fiber optic SFP managed switch. It allows you to finish fiber connectivity that is with different bandwidth requirement conveniently and cost saving. So let's take a closer look at the switch. As you can see, we have all the indicated lights to display the current status of the device, which simplifies problem diagnosis. By the lights, we have the conceal port. It is for IT professional to use the command line interface instead of getting on the web to change the configuration. We have the 8 1000M combo ports, 16 1 gigabit per second SFP port, and 4 10 gigabit per second SFP ports. Let's turn to the back now. It has 2 100 to 240 voltage power outlet. Those are the redundant power input with overload current protection, improves system redundancy and stability. When one power unit is down, the other one will come up immediately. So it won't affect any of your devices and they will be running continuously. The future-proof 10 gigabit per second network is great for large file transfer and network expansion. Also, we can achieve the performance of a 40G network by grouping the 4 10G ports together. And I'm going to show you how to do the web configuration after the whole connection. So let's begin. Use a short patch cord here to connect our main network router to our switch. This is the SFP transceiver, and it's usually sold separately because it has to determine what kind of connector and fiber optic cable that you use, and make sure you use a 10G SFP transceiver. We need 4 of those, so let's plug them in. And here we have the 4-string fiber optic cable. You can see it has label on it, so we know which one is which. And also the connector is pre-made, so we don't need to worry about it. It's 100% tested in the factory. Let's plug them all in. We have the A, B, C, and D. So they are all plugged in, 4 of them. This is 300 meters fiber optic cable. Let's come over this side. And also we have 4 of those. Let's plug them in. Let's find A. the third one, and the last one. And now it's all set. And now I'm going to use the computer here to change the configuration and group them together. Now we are already on the switch web management, and we are going to group the 4 ports together. Let's go under group configuration, name it group number 1. So we have the group number now, it's number 1. Let's add member. Remember, 25 to 28 port are the 10 gigabit per second port, so let's add those 4 ports together to form a group. And now we can have total of 40G. Here we go. We have all 4 ports in a one group. And let's go under the switch basic configuration here. And make sure you save the current running configuration. Click inside and hit the apply button. So now we have successfully saved the configuration. And we are done with the 40G network. And it's great for data centers, enterprise network, and also high-speed internet backbone. So let's start to use 40G LANs and enjoy the fast speed. And please like and subscribe our channel, Fast Cabling. If you find our video helpful, you can share it with your friends or family who may benefit from it. And thank you so much for watching us today. I'll see you next time.